Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In our previous lesson, we were talking about the biodegradation of different types of hydrocarbons. So let's talk about the biodegradation of BTEX and MTBE. So when you talk about complex hydrocarbons, there can be different types of such hydrocarbons, and they are mostly present types of mixtures of different hydrocarbons. For example, gasoline is a complex mixture of hundreds of different types of hydrocarbons. Most of these are saturated and mostly contain 4 to 12 carbon atoms per molecule. And if we talk about the percentage in gasoline, 22 to 54% is composed of aromatic hydrocarbons. If you talk about different types of complex hydrocarbons, the proportion will be different. Now in this case of gasoline, the most common are benzene, toluene, ethyl benzene, and different isomers of xylene. Collectively these are called as BTEX. These are the structure of benzene, ethyl benzene, toluene, and M-xylene. Collectively these constitute BTEX, and these are known as BTEX compounds. In addition to these compounds, the gasoline may also include methyl, ethyl benzenes, and trimethyl benzenes as well. The most dominant of these compounds is toluene, followed by the isomers, different isomers of xylene, and followed by the equal amounts of ethyl benzene and benzene. And now if you talk about jet fuels, they have lower aromatic content. Now BTEX compounds are obviously much more toxic as compared to other compounds present, and however these are water soluble as well, and due to this reasons the availability to microorganisms is high. You can see here that they are very much toxic. As you can see, benzene is a very well known human carcinogen. It can cause different types of cancer in human beings. Now what is the importance of these compounds? These are not only part of gasoline, but they are also used individually for different industrial purposes. For example, these compounds individually can be used as solvents in the production of other chemicals as well. So these compounds find so many commercial uses. And not to forget, these are natural compounds found in gasoline, but they are also produced chemically as well, and they have much widespread use. And due to this usage by the human beings, these compounds have found their way in the environment and have caused a lot of trouble in the environment, and has caused a lot of threat to the health of the living organisms and the environment as well. Because these are naturally found compounds, so there are certain natural microorganisms and their enzymatic systems which are known to act on these compounds and degrade them. Most of the degradation can happen aerobically, however anaerobic degradation is also there. Now the biochemical pathways and different enzymes involved in the biodegradation of BTEX compounds have been isolated and have been well studied, and numerous ubiquitous microorganisms are there which can degrade these compounds. However, again, these are toxic compounds and their degradation is not so easy as compared to other compounds. We will talk about more about these compounds in our next lessons.